Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. A natural example of this color is found in the gemstone, which has been prized for centuries for its distinct blue-green hue. This color is produced by combining shades of blue and green, often with a slight hint of yellow to give it a more vibrant look. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Turquoise, 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 turquoise. Turquoise is crucial in the context of interior design, fashion, and art, helping designers and artists to evoke feelings of calm, serenity, and refreshment. It's a color often associated with tropical waters and the tranquility of nature. If you enjoyed learning about turquoise, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.